guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Blessy and I'm coming from Kerala. ഞാനൊരു മലയാളിയാണ്. So I've started a new channel, a YouTube channel. My videos are based on skincare, hair care tips, and I do love doing vlogs also. If you're interested in my videos, please do like, share, subscribe and comment and show some love. Today I'm going to share with you guys an easiest DIY homemade face scrub. So let's get into the video. So first of all we need is 1 tomato and a tablespoon of sugar. As we all know, facial scrub exfoliates our face and it is also a very important part in our skincare. So now let's talk about the importance of tomato. So it helps in balancing our pH levels and it also works as a magical skincare remedy for all skin types. It also helps in removing tan. Sugar smooths our skin. Now let's make our scrub. So that we need 1 tomato and 1 tablespoon sugar. It's really so cheap and affordable and it's so easy to make too. So let's take a half sliced tomato and let's take 1 tablespoon of sugar and let's dip into it. Let me just tie my hair for my convenience. Now I've tied my hair. Now let's start scrubbing. Make sure you do it in a circular motion. By doing it in circular motion, it helps to increase our blood flow. Just gently do it. No need to press too much. Scrub all parts on our face. If you want to scrub on your neck also, you can do that. Now I'm not doing. It helps to brighten our skin. You can do it 2 or 3 times in a week. No need to do every day. Those who are allergic to tomatoes, no need to use it. Otherwise, it's good for all skin type. Focus on your forehead, cheeks and also on your nose. Now let's keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Now I have washed my face so you can see how glowing it became. So if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and do comment. I'll see you in the next video. You all know facial scrubs are sugar helps in creates. Sugar helps in sugar. Skin scrub. Face scrub.